guys, welcome to the Fancy Apron Kitchen. I'm Alexis, and right now I'm going to show you how to make pork tenderloin on the Traeger Grill. I'm going to show you two different ways. The first tenderloin I have seasoned with my Traeger Grill's pork and poultry rub. It's got an apple honey profile. We're going to smoke this one at 225 degrees for about 90 minutes, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 145. My other pork tenderloin has been sitting in a teriyaki marinade for about 3 hours, and this is going to be a much quicker cook time at 375 for just 18 to 20 minutes, but also until it reaches an internal temperature of 145. I'm going to cook both of these, and then I'm going to slice them both for you so you can see what the smoke green looks like and the cook on a longer cooked pork tenderloin, and then just the difference in our much quicker cooking, higher temperature pork tenderloin is going to do. So let's go ahead and get this one on. We'll get cooking. Alrighty guys, both of my pork tenderloins have finished cooking, and now we can cut into them and see how they look. It smells smoky. So see, this is what I wanted you to see. Right around here, we've got this little smoke ring. It's nice, it's still nice and moist. Pull apart tender. So good. Teriyaki. This one's still hot. All right, let's see how we did here. It's nice and tender. Oh, it's piping hot. Perfection. Okay, so now that we're all done, you can see the difference. We've got a mild smoke ring on our slower cooked pork tenderloin that cooked at 225. I'm gonna hit it with just a tiny bit of barbecue sauce just to give it a little bit of extra moisture, although it doesn't need more moisture, but just a little sauce. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with our quicker cooking teriyaki pork tenderloin. This one took about 20 minutes. It's kind of it's a bigger tenderloin than some of the ones I usually get. But there you have it. They're both super good. Tonight, I think we're gonna eat the smoked one. It's good. Super good. All right guys, if you want the recipe card for my pork tenderloin on the Traeger post, you can click in the link down in the description below. Make sure you come back and watch more. Click like if this was helpful. Click subscribe if you never want to miss me. And we'll keep cooking. Bye guys.